you can see how easy it is for me to move that, and you can see that adhesion underneath coming off. One thing I'm asked is, how do you know when it's time to change your hair system? Now, I'm lazy. I would love to go 4 or 5 weeks without changing my hair system off. I can do that sometimes when I'm wearing a polyurethane base, because you get all of that additional adhesion in the center. But even then, the glue and the tape starts to dissolve on your scalp, and many factors can affect that. So heat, exercise, sweat, how often you're washing it, the products you put in your hair. So for like shampoos, try and go for sulfate free, because that sulfate can really degrade the adhesion of the tapes and the adhesives that you use. But my number one telltale sign when I need to change my hair system and clean it is when the adhesion starts coming through from the sides and I can feel it getting tacky. And as you can see here, that adhesion now is starting to seep through from the polyurethane base underneath. And all I've got on this system is tape. So that's that tape really sort of breaking down and becoming tacky and sticky. The other way that I know that I need to change my hair system is it's loose. Now, I can go out in the wind today and it could be really, really strong winds and there will be no issue. I've driven home today from the shops, window down, it's nice and warm here, wind blowing in my face, no issues whatsoever. This is still going to do you in the wind. So once you start feeling it slip, it's still going to be okay. But it is a sign that you need to change it. So if I just pull this hair system up now, you can see how easy it is for me to move that, and you can see that adhesion underneath coming off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this hair system and I'm going to remove all of the old tape that's underneath.